Hi, my name is Kimberly, and today I want to share 5 simple health tips about smoking. 1. Protect your lungs. Smoking damages the lungs and increase the risk of the lung cancer and breathing problems. 2. Care for your heart. Quitting smoking lowers your risk of heart disease and stroke. 3. Think of your loved ones. Secondhand smoke harms your family, especially children and the elderly. 4. Save money. Cigarettes are expensive. Quitting helps your health and your wallet. 5. Feel better every day. After quitting, your energy, breathing, and sense of taste will improve. Small steps lead to big change. Say no to smoking and yes to a health life. Next, I want to share about one tips from book Ellen G. White. He said, pure, pure air, sunlight, temperature fresh, exercise, proper diet, the ash of water. Trust in divine power. These are the true remedies. Thank you and God bless you.